Hello friends, in this video we'll go to discuss about time shifting property on signals. Time shifting is nothing but in generally we represented a signal like x of t or y of t. If we want to shift this t either advanced or delayed, then that process is known as time shifting process. Okay, first let's see what is time shifting. A signal x of t may be shifted in time by replacing the independent variable t. Remember this independent variable t by either t minus t naught or t plus t naught. Here t naught is called shift factor. Okay, what is t naught? T naught is called shift factor. Shifting in time may result in time delay or time advancement. Okay, shifting is nothing but replacing this time t by either t plus t naught or t minus t naught. Here t naught is the shifting factor. Shifting factor is nothing but how much time it is shifted either advance or delay. Time is shifted either in advanced or delay. Okay, that means there are two types of time shifting operations. One is advanced shifting, another one is delayed shifting. When we will get advanced shifting and when we will get delayed shifting means replacing t with t minus t naught gives a delayed signal, that is x of t minus t naught. Okay, whenever we replacing the independent variable t with t of t minus t naught. T minus t naught means it is a delayed signal. Okay, next replacing t with t plus t naught gives a advanced signal, that is x of t plus t naught. If you want to shift the signal in advanced, then t plus t naught we need to replace in place of t, and if you want to delay the signal, then t minus t naught we need to replace in the place of t. Let's see an example for time shifting operation. First, let's consider x of t signal which is from -2 to +2 and the amplitude is a. Okay, now I want to shift this x of t signal with shifting factor is +2, that is the signal x of t +2. We know whenever shifting factor is added with the time, that is t plus t naught, it looks like a t plus t naught, then advanced shifting is done. Advanced means it moves to left side. The entire signal moves to left side for how many units? For 2 units. That is the signal is first moved to from here to here and from here to here. That is the entire signal will move from 0 to not a 0, positive to negative side. That is happening here. Here this positive entire signal is shifted to negative side, because here we shifting the signal with shifting factor 2. Okay, this is about time shifting property. Thank you for watching this video.